Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an evidence affidavit. This crucial legal document allows you to formally state facts under oath, supporting a claim or argument in a clear, written format. It essentially serves as your testimony, providing vital information and attaching relevant documents for review. Your affidavit must be meticulously prepared, ensuring every detail is accurate and presented precisely, as it forms a significant part of your legal submission. Your affidavit must clearly identify the legal proceeding it pertains to, including the court's name and the specific case number. You will then state your full legal name and current residential address, confirming you are the affiant. The document must explicitly declare that the information contained within is true and correct, stated under penalty of perjury. This initial section establishes the affidavit's context and the credibility of the person providing the evidence. Within the body of your affidavit, clearly and concisely describe the evidence you are presenting. For example, if you are discussing a photograph, state exactly what it depicts and its relevance. Each piece of evidence, whether it is a document, email, or picture, must be attached as a separate exhibit. Label these exhibits sequentially, perhaps Exhibit A or Exhibit 1, making them easy for anyone reviewing the document to locate and understand. To finalize your evidence affidavit, you, as the affiant, must sign the document in front of a licensed notary public. The notary will then officially witness your signature, verify your identity, and apply their official stamp or seal. This notarization process legally confirms that your signature is authentic and that you declared the facts under oath. Remember to always retain an original copy of the fully signed and notarized affidavit for your personal records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.